right, John, my car's going to the hospital this week. What's going on now? Let's start the car. And it didn't rattle.
Well, now what you will see is how loose it is.
That's what it usually does when I start. It just rattles like that.
It is. See that? So it all starts here. This is mounted to this, which is the muffler underneath. What happened is all this rotted. So it's all rotting around here. It's split over here, over here. This side's on that muffler is all rotted. And then the hanger that holds it right here is rotted. So what's happening is this thing's flopping and making it rattling, annoying noises at all, given different given times, So, so this is basically the piece that needs to be replaced.
And what's it called?
Sometimes they call them resonators too. So
resonator?
This might be a resonator.
Okay.
But in general, this is what it looks like. You can find this on.
We bought it from Rock Auto, right?
No, this one we bought from Parts Geek.
Parts Geek?
Yeah.
Okay.
Rock Auto has it too.
Okay.
So, I mean, this is a OEM duplicate. It's not actual replacement, but when I match it up, it looks almost perfect. So.
Okay. And then you're
This
placing
is
it.
a standardized.
This is the muffler. Do we have a number on this?
Wait.
171669.
Yeah. I mean, you're really gonna have to look.
But that's not OEM either. So.
Technically, it's not. It's just a muffler.
And
So they're utilizing something that's going to replace and work.
Okay. And then what are these
It's
pieces?
actually made in Canada, actually. These are hangers that basically they go onto another pin that grabs.
Okay.
And then it's going to grab. You push that pin into that.
So that it stops rattling when I'm driving.
Right. And see, it's rubberized, so this way it doesn't make noise.
Okay. And there's two of those.
There's two of these, we're replacing those, and then you have this that goes here. When you put the two together with the nut and bolt.
Okay.
To this. We're working off of a lift. So, I mean, can you do it in the driveway? Sure, but
we're not going to be recording that part.
No, we're not going to record that part, no.
So this video is really just to tell people what it entails.
Yeah, what parts that are needed.
Kind of show them a little bit of the
Right there, that's all loose. That's all loose. Right there, right in the, oh, you can see the exhaust coming out here. You see the exhaust right there coming out. And then it goes back where a hanger is broken.
Yay, John, my car is back with a new muffler. And the funny thing is, I thought you had to do welding. You didn't.
No, we wound up buying pretty much all the parts that bolted together. So, and we did buy new rubber hangers. We just rebolted it and hung it, and it all bolted right in.
Okay, it sounds louder, but hey,
yeah,
nothing's ever going to be the same, right?
Well, you're very picky. I mean, most people would say it's okay. All right, Marguerite, do you really think that this car is that loud?
No, I'm just saying it's louder than it was with my original exhaust.
All right, I think we should have the public or let our subscribers judge.
It's got a little bit more of a throaty sound than it did before. I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it. I'm just saying it does sound different than my original exhaust. That's all.
Well, different is not the same as loud. Is that loud? It's a normal car. All right, Margaret, you really think that your Escape is loud?
I do.